Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne, and if you guys have a sunroof, okay, you have sunroof or glass roof, panoramic roof, we'll show you guys where to find the fuse for the sunroof motor. Stay with us guys. In the meantime, we have guys more than 200 videos on this car. Our goal is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. So let's start on it now. All the electrical videos guys will be uploaded on this channel. More videos guys, okay, will be uploaded on our main channels. Those will be mechanical videos, world mechanics and how to repair guys. So this is the Porsche here guys. We need to open the door. Okay, open the door and sunroof right there. Remove that cap, okay, by using a plastic panel tool. You have 5 clips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips guys. And we need to find fuse number 42. Fuse number 42. This one will be the 5th, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th fuse, 30 amp fuse right there. So we will go ahead, grab it and replace it with a new one now. And we're almost ready guys. So this is it guys, this is the fuse for the sunroof or panoramic roof. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you. If you guys want to see anything specific, drop a comment below and we'll try our best to make a video for your specific problem. So thank you for watching guys. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.